Hi guys, let's unbox and review HUAWEI HONOR A6 smartphone. It is a global firmware, supports Mulit-Languages menus and Google applications, include Google Play Store. Also supports OTA update firmware. Smartphone. As we know, it is a 6.26-inch IPS LCD HD Plus display. Resolution is 1520 pixels by 720 pixels. Its CPU is QUALCOMM Snapdragon 636 SDM 632 octa-core 1.8 GHz. Its operating system is Google Android 8.1, supports OTA update firmware, and it is 4 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, or 64 GB ROM. Supports MicroSD Card up to 256 GB. It has 3 cameras. Front camera is 8 megapixel f2.0 pixel. Rear cameras are 13 megapixel f1.8 pixel and 2 megapixel. Its battery built-in is 4000 mAh battery built-in, non-removable. Supports 5 volts, 2 ampere, 10 watt fast charging. It supports dual Nano SIM card and 1 MicroSD card. It supports GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, Bluetooth F 4.2, FM radio, Fingerprint, and Face ID. FDD LTE 4G network, Band 1, Band 3, Band 4, Band 8, Band 38, Band 39, Band 40, Band 41. It has 3 colors to choose: midnight black color, Aurora blue color, and platinum gold color. Now let's go into unboxing it and review it. Its model name is BKK-AL10. HUAWEI HONOR A6. It is 6.26 notch display. Let's turn it on. Here all the Google applications it supports. Let's try its camera. (13 megapixel and 2 megapixel). Here system update. It supports OTA update. Let's have a look what languages menus it supports. Here are all the languages menus it supports. Its CPU 1.8 pixel. (4 GB length, 32 GB long). Its model name. Its operating system. Here are all the sensors it supports. Here are all the sensors it supports. Its camera. Rear camera is 13 megapixel. Front camera is 8 megapixel. AnTuTu benchmark. Let's continue to check what included in the color box. Here's the color box. Welcome one piece eject pen, one piece iMac sticker, one piece manual, one piece warranty certificate book, comes one piece silicone case, one piece original micro USB cable, one piece charger, one piece Euro converter. Most important is the smartphone. Super nice color. and we make videos only for our company online store selling. We speak for ourselves only. We make videos for our company online store selling and B2B wholesaling. Please subscribe to our YouTube channels. Please follow us in Facebook pages, Instagram pages, and WeChat and WhatsApp. If you want to buy the smartphone, you can place us the order directly. We accept order MOQ1 pieces with very good price. Thank you for your watching.